Hello everyone. Today we will learn how we can uninstall a software using command prompt. Usually we uninstall software by going to control panel via graphic user interface, like going to uninstall program, and here we can see the list of the programs and we can select and we can uninstall it from here. The second way to uninstall a software via command prompt is open command prompt, select run as administrator. Yes. Now run the command WMIC. Now we will run a command to see the products name which are installed in our computer. Product get name. Let's see. So for example, we want to uninstall this software from the computer. Let me paste the command here. Okay, I have selected to uninstall Quick Pass Desktop app. Hit enter. It's uninstalling the software and command execution is successful. You have to select Y for yes. After a successful uninstallation, you will see the output method execution successful. Now let's see if Quick Pass Desktop app is completely uninstalled from our control panel. Okay. You can see now we don't have Quick Pass Desktop app here and it is completely uninstalled. Thanks for watching. I will also share commands in the video descriptions. Thank you.